Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create line chart in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have a data, year column and amount column. To create line chart, simply select the data, just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Then go to the insert tab and click on the chart option. And here you can see your chart is inserted with the chart editor with the two tabs setup and customize. Here in Google Sheet, the by default column chart is inserted. And in this video, I'm going to create the line chart. So here in chart editor, in setup option, first is a chart type. Okay. So here the column chart is showing as per chart. So just click on this arrow and drag below and here you can see the line chart. So I select the first one line chart and that's it. Your chart is converted in the line chart. You can easily minimize the size with the drag with this corner point and increase the size also. Okay. To customize the line chart, just click on the customize option in chart editor and you can see there are so many options to customize line chart. The chart style, chart title, series, layer, horizontal axis, vertical axis. This is the horizontal axis here and the amount is a vertical axis. Okay. So in horizontal axis, when I click on this option to customize it, you can change here the font. I just click on this drop down arrow and select this font. See the changes over here. Font size also you can change. Click on this arrow and select here the font size. Label format also you can change. Text color also you can change here. See the changes over here. And same as you can use here the vertical axis. The font, you can change the font also. Size also you can change. Color also text you can change here. See in vertical axis also change font, size, color also. Okay. In chart style, you can change the chart style. The background color of the chart, you can select here the different background color. See the changes over here. I select here the yellow color. Then you can change here the font. So I select this font. And chart border also you can apply here. Okay. And click on this arrow. And in series is the amount, line color. You can use here the different lines. See, dash line. Okay. Dash dot line. Okay. And this is a solid line. See the difference here. Okay. Line thickness you can also increase. See the difference on the line chart. Okay. So this is a way you can use the series. And that's it. You can customize this way your line chart easily. And when you close these and if you want to again open the chart, just click on the chart and then click on this three dot and click on the edit chart option. And again the chart editor is open. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.